Welcome to my review show. So today I'm here at the Dairy Queen, and I've been wanting to try this summer blizzard, they call it. One of the summer blizzards. It's the Girl Scout Mint Blizzard or something like that. And I like the Girl Scout mint cookies, so let's see if their blizzard is any good. All right, let's go. All right, here we are, the Dairy Queen Blizzard. Happy tastes good, it says. So this is the Girl Scout Chocolate Mint Blizzard. I've been wanting to try for quite some time. This is the mini size, and it is quite mini. And it costs $4.50 here after tax here in Canada. So this better be good, Blizzard. Definitely a mint flavor right off the bat. Nice pieces, chunks of cookie. Lots of cookie in that bite. Your vanilla ice cream, nice and thick, perfect on this hot day. Have you tried this one, this Blizzard? Let me know in the comments below if you tried it and you like it. I'm kind of glad I got the mini size though. I don't know if I'd want to eat a whole regular one of this. Right now the Blizzard of the month is the Kit Kat. And that's one of my favorite. Also like the Coffee Crisp, the peanut butter. This one is good, definitely good. If you like mint Oreos, mint cookies, then I'm sure you'll like this one. There was a big piece of cookie there. Well, if I can show you, you can see quite a big pieces of cookie in this one. Let's take a closer look. There you go, as you can see, a bit better there. There's your cookie pieces. Real ice cream. And there's with our chocolate mint cookies just crushed up in your vanilla ice cream. So you could probably imagine what that tastes like. And now again, would I buy this again? If I came back to Dairy Queen, which isn't too often, have a Blizzard? Probably not. I would go with the other flavors, something with chocolate, like the Kit Kat or the Coffee Crisp, peanut butter, even the cookie dough. Those are probably my favorite. But again, if you like this mint cookies, and I do, it is good. So would I recommend this to my friends? You, the viewers? I would. I'm going to start rating my food reviews. And hopefully my other reviews as well. Not just food ones, but the food ones. So would I recommend it to you guys? Yes, I would. And I'd probably give it about a 7.5 out of 10. So go down to go down to Dairy Queen and grab a Blizzard. Try this one out, but there are some better ones. All right, till next time, this is my review show. Let me check you out in the next one.